All right, if you're looking at a problem that's talking about depositing and withdrawing, it's just asking you to learn what each word means. When you deposit money, you add money to your account, so you're going to use addition. When you withdraw money, you subtract money from your account, so you're going to use subtraction. And again, you just use the words to set up your addition or subtraction problem. Now, there are more difficult problems out there, but if you bump into it in your homework especially, I'll go ahead and cover that. But the key thing is, it's telling you have $93 in your account. That's where you're starting. And then it says you withdraw $45. So in other words, I had 93. Withdraw means I'm taking money out. So subtract 45. And then that just comes down to whether or not you know how to do subtraction with borrowing, which means that you can go back to that stuff that you did on your homework. Again, you cannot do 3 minus 5. So you must borrow from the 9, turn it into an 8, turning 3 into 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And as you do word problems, you want to get into the habit of giving the answer as words. So it says how much is in your account now. You have $48 left. Don't just stop there, because again, that doesn't really answer it, but you want to kind of go off to the side and make sure you finish it off. It's just a good habit. Like I said, a lot of teachers don't really get upset with that because they're happy with the fact you got the answer. But as you go higher and as you get more into real life, you need to have those kind of things, that discipline. This says you have $38 in your account and you deposit 63. Again, deposit means I put money in. So it means I was starting at 38 and I added 63. That's all it is. Remember, you add your columns. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. So I have $101 in the account. So that's really all there is to it. Again, make sure you learn those words. Eventually what they do is they give you like a multiple step thing, but all you have to do is just take your time and kind of work your way through it as if you're not trying to rush, and you'll typically get that right. But if there's any other issues on this, please talk to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, talk to me. But outside of that, have a good day, and I will talk to you later.